Hey guys, this is Daniel. I'm going to go over my trades really quick for today. The first trade I took today was CHGG. It was an opening range breakup. Here's the 5-minute opening range. Then it broke up. Right when it broke up, it squeezed up above VWAP, and on this pullback here, I went long. I put my stop loss here, and I was hoping to get up to here. So I sold the position here, and I stopped myself out there at break even. I didn't respect my stop loss because I don't like these momentum trades so close to the open to come against me. But as you can see, that was a mistake. It dropped back down to VWAP. It didn't hit my original stop loss, and it got the move that I was originally hoping for. My second trade on CHGG, you had this huge bullish candle here on a 5-minute chart. So it pulled back to VWAP, and on its way back up, I went long. It came back up and then it came back down. The price action was really jumping around here. It came back up, came back down. So I didn't like the price action, so I stopped myself out just above break even. My third trade was also CHGG, but this time it was to the short side. So it came back up above VWAP, and then I saw it struggling up here. And then when it there's this huge red candle here. It dropped really fast down here, so I went short here, put my stop loss up here above this moving average, and started covering down towards this moving average here. It came back up and it tested my my break-even point here. Came back down, then it came back up, tested my break even again, and then right when it broke up above VWAP, I said, you know what, this could actually come back up. So I stopped myself out with the rest of my position there at break even. Literally right after I stopped myself out, you got this huge drop, and then you had this huge move to the downside. It really sucks when that happens. It's like the market is out to get you, but that happens sometimes. The second ticker I traded was MRN. So you had this huge sell-off after the open, and then there's this huge wick on a 5-minute chart, and then it started to hold this level. So when it broke down through this level, I saw it get bought back up really fast. And a lot of times when that happens, when it breaks down through a level and gets bought back up, you usually get this huge squeeze to the upside. So I took a long position here. I put my stop loss below this candle here, and I was hoping to get back up to VWAP. It did pop up a little bit. I just didn't like the price action, and I don't really have a lot of confidence on these reversal trades either. So I stopped myself out at break even there, and as you can see, it did come back down. So I would have gotten stopped out down here anyways. So that ended up working out in my favor. The third ticker I traded was Beyond. I took 2 trades on Beyond. And keep in mind, by this time, my psychology was all messed up from CHGG and AMRN just getting stopped out at break even. So I really didn't let these trades ride like I should have. Okay, so anyways, on Beyond. If you look here on the 5-minute chart, every time it came up above VWAP, it sold off back through it down. It just could not close above VWAP. So here on this 5-minute chart, when I saw it did close above VWAP on this pullback here, it came down to VWAP, and on its way back up, I took a long position here, sold, and then stopped myself out at break even here again. As you can see, that was a mistake. You got this huge move to the upside afterwards. The second trade I took on Beyond, I saw it come down and start holding this moving average here. When it dropped down through the moving average, it got bought back up, and then it came back down and got bought back up again. So I took a long position here. Then it started to create a level here and started to struggle. So I sold a position here and sold more here towards the high of the day at that time. And then it came down and started to test my break-even point here. It came down, came back up, came down. Then it came back up, came down again. I was like, you know what, this might actually could come against me. So I stopped myself out at break even there. Literally right after I stopped myself out at break even, it popped back up, and I knew at that time that it was going to keep going up to for the original move that I had planned for. So as you can see, it was a difficult day. I didn't get the moves that I wanted, but you know, some days are like that, and that's just trading. All right, that's my trades for today. Have a good day.